Flag blood fire for the vlog. Alright, people, let me tell you something. I'm a principled man, see? I mean, I have a problem now. I love spontaneity. What's English? Spontaneity. I love being spontaneous. However, there's a limit. You cannot tell me on the day of, a couple hours before, to come link you somewhere after train stop run. That is not anything any normal human being does, but my friend does it. I'm not normal. Not a normal person. And of course, Andre will seem like a fussy if he doesn't go and meet this person. Some people, me, Andre, when I like winter, right? We get ashes done, the ashes from Ash Wednesday at church in Jamaica. If you don't know about church and ashes, the thing they put on your face, Ash Wednesday, yeah, that's something there. Ashy, like a volcano fall from the sky in a Kumamoto. I'm going to take up an adventure tonight. Flag it, blood fire, for the vlog. Watch one. And them things she like, you know, them things she like. Also, she cooks very well, guys. We need to, she makes masks and them. So, she made the mask, them. She the one, yeah? She made the mask. We just done them some swims. Yeah. Wait, the swims and pen macaroni paste here. We mix vodka and some avocado. Alright, I'm going to stop back and eat that. Bye. Here's what's going on now. The karaoke over there is closed. Alright? Karaoke never closes. But, you know, alright, we're going to see what goes on. Because I know, but I know. Hey, yo, we're out here in the streets because of Unplanned. Anything come to it tonight, blame this man around here. So. Right.
Yep, midnight link up, you don't know. Yeah, man.
In the middle of bloody Nagoya. Not Nagoya, not everything locked.
State of emergency.
But the Jamaicans say, we're not going inside. Andrew or less. Alright, so guys, this is so the Andrew calls draw away time.
My friend. Them drop again, you know.
No, you know, says time for the people. No man, them jokers come. No man, them good man.
Right, karaoke.
them thinking about it now. Them stopping now. Gee, what is this cause? You think about it now? Hold on there. Andrew can. We're going to see Andrew Can in his natural habitat. He's going to try and get one of those Japanese girls back to karaoke. She's stopping her, so clearly she wants the attention. See? We told them something, I was stumble. Let me see Andrew go say, hey. The friend, no man, the friend, I forget. Oh, Andrew's waiting for the friend. Moody, no? Shit. Shame. Well, today was a bit unsuccessful, a bit drunk in the afternoon. The ladies called a taxi and they're off in the taxi going away. People, 1:11 a.m. Wednesday. See this? Yeah. Hennessy. You don't know what I'm gonna drink.
So late night, yo.
This boy is what kind of soda you drink? What? Why for that? You don't drink? No. Anyways, people, we got the two karaoke's. One, what one name? Big Echo says 4,000 yen basically for one person plus a drink. You have to buy a drink. Alright, for the free time. That's what they said.
It's lighting though.
Then you can't keep him out quiet. Anyway, no matter. Anyway, Andrew can. We're not skip it out, you know? No, that's what blur up and then I'm going to make you guys Andrew say it.
Hi guys, what's up?
Because I'm editing
I
this.
don't curse, so.
You hear that? Andrew doesn't curse. This is. I know. It's really nice, isn't it? All colors blending, but Andrew look kind of white. Andrew, what's going on there? Where's the hat, man? I know there's a little something there at the top of the head there, man.
Oh, you're seeing hairline.
Snot. Hairline a fight about. Anyway, people, we're going to walk up and now we'll take you on this memorable night according to Andrew Khan, because he says we're going to make memories tonight. But his idea of memories, people. Boy, right now the last bullet will kill the boy and chat too much. Winner, chicken dinner.
Well, yeah, but.
Jiri is the winner. Jiri, what do you have to say? Jiri?
I don't have much to say, no. Winners don't really talk that much.
Bombo not.
What's it? Well done, Jerry. It was a game well played. We tried, but he was just superior this one. So yeah.
Alright. Now look at this youth, because he's leading. Look at his behavior. You see, if this youth lose this game, I'm putting this on YouTube and on Twitter and on Facebook. Don't lose, you know.
I think you got like 20 points. Why are you moving like that?
See? This is the man talking the most. Andrew Khan. Jiri, me. We don't know what's happening anymore, but this man has been talking all game, all the shit.
Before we even reach.
Right. Full of talk. What you say now? What you say, Mama Jenna?
Wait until the end.
Wait until the end.
Right. That's what I said.
Alright, we don't be now. As long as one we win, we're good. Andrew requested the video be put on for his wedding. He has to get a single 5. Andrew's been talking all night, so he likes the pressure. Let's see what's going on here. Single 5, Andrew, go ahead, sir.
First 2 games.
Where's 5 though?
5 right here. What does it say there? First 2 games were the warm up.
No, Andrew, the first game was a warm up, the second game we lost.
The first 2 games.
I was saying the first 2 games were warm
The
up.
man
Warm up the gentlemen, and then we're gonna finish
The
it.
man in 2 games to warm up.
Watch close.
I'm watching closer, sir.
That's how you do it, okay? I'm just pretending the entire time. That's how you do it. So that whenever you want to challenge me, let me know and give me a good challenge, man. Stop playing around.
So Jimmy is the winner. After all the chatting from this man here. Oh God.
It was an excellent game. Jerry performed well. Kind of cheered him on.
So Andrew, you said before you had the 1500 in your pocket there, man, in your wallet.
What happened was I visualized it in my wallet.
You know, I like the money being presented to me. That'd be
The
nice.
money, yeah. Can you present the money?
I will.
Who you presenting it to though?
Jerry.
The what?
The winner.
Okay.
That final round.
Yes, 1500 bet.
Japanese style or Jamaican?
No man, we get this past my stick.
Respect, yeah.
Okay.
Dog.
It's a good game.
I am crying, fam. I don't even understand this, you know. But round 1 tomorrow, which is the real
There's
thing.
no reason to cry. I mean, you know.
I'm laughing
being
to cry.
diplomatic. You won the game.
Basketball tomorrow. This man has been saying for years he's better than Jerry Mills. So we're going to see tomorrow basketball. I'll watch and give commentary because I'm the color commentator. Senegal is lucky, paying for hours of pay.
Why?
One day when the basket
no pay,
Basket
guess
hungry,
who's only on the place? Under the sea, under the sea. Nobody beat us, nobody fight us, in the sea.
Why?
We want the land goes off to cook. Under the sea, we got no troubles, life is no bubbles. Under the sea,
Under the sea.
under the sea.
Why?
It's like it's the
Young, full of life, ready to go.
This man has been talking from 1 a.m. It's now almost 4 o'clock.
Yo, steady up there, man. What's that language here, man?
What is my language?
What was that?
Yo, I can talk how I want to talk and come here, bit up.
Oh.
They did that.
I'm not doing anything. I was going to edit on the video. What's wrong with you?
But nah.
I don't what am I saying? Andrew kill me. Hear them out there. Hear them I come disturb a very good hotel here. Chateau Row. The two of them Andrew coming to disturb the peace and the balance of the force. I just can't be a normal person.
We can't look for the food.
No, because Andrew say you can't look for it.
I can't, like...
It's Andrew's apartment, sir. Clearly.
The light it is up there. You just press the light switch which is up there.
Rochelle, you know, because Rochelle's soft, which I would lift him outside.
The remote, yeah.
Rush, you
Yes, honey?
need to run them blood fire.
Why we go run them?
You know, must be
Like
like
this
something.
in the house, we have to be polite and nice.
Alright, Rochelle said to be polite and nice, so we're doing that. And then Rochelle coming in. I'm going to flick out this video off the phone. Alright, guys, I am here. I'm going to knock out and sleep. It wasn't a memorable night, but one thing for certain, though. Andrew no better than no in a dance. Let's just put that out there. Alright? All that talking and bluster. Hot wind. Hot wind. Yeah. Alright, peace.